Hello. In this video, we are going to talk about building a Springboot project with the MySQL database access. So for the project that we are going to do in the class, which is the final project, we would like to utilize this existing Springboot project that is provided by Spring.io. This example is called accessing data with MySQL. And what we need to do is that we copy this line and we did a git clone. Once we did a git clone, we see this is the folder, this is the directory, and when we go there, all we are going to need is this complete directory, because the initial directory was designed in a way that it does not have much Java code inside of it, and you follow step by step, and then you tutorial in this site, and you provided those Java files, and then eventually it will become a complete file. So if I were to use this PyCharm or IntelliJ, I'm going to use file and open, and I will go to my directory like this, and I'll pick this complete and load it. After you load that, you will see this is the root of the project. So what is in the root of the project? First of all, you will see pom.xml, which is the dependencies definitions of all the Java jars. And you will have a Maven wrappers, which will avoid downloading and installing Maven on your local system. This is a Gradle wrapper for that. This is the Gradle build script, equivalent to pom.xml. Gradle is a different package manager for building Springboot projects. Maven is another one. So in my example, we will use Maven, as I use that more. The source code is located at src folder, and we also have a target folder, which is generated when we do the build commands. So you can, originally you shouldn't see this folder. You will just see this. Okay, so what I am going to do is that we are going to locate and double check the application.property file. So what we will do is that we go to src, we go to main directory, we go to resources, and we double click on application.properties. This file will provide you the configuration for your database. For example, if you run your MySQL server on the same machine, which is localhost, and it runs on the default port 3306, and this is your database. For example, I am going to make this, I'm going to keep all these, I'm going to keep all of these default. So this is going to be called secret. This is called my user, but you can change it anytime. And this is my database, so I will keep that unchanged as of now. And now we run this. Before we run that, we want to make sure that where are we? We are here. We must be sitting at the directory where pom.xml sits, and we are going to run this command. We're going to run this Maven command to build a package. So after that, you will see right now we do not have a jar target directory in here. And after the building, you will see there is a target directory. Okay, this is waiting for checking database. This is probably in-memory database for just checking and the code for testing, a quick testing. But during this, actually, I think we skip all the tests. Somehow it's all done. So let's do ls, and we will see that this target directory is there, and we cd into the target directory, and we can see that the jar files is there. So now we do java dash jar, and we copy this, and we provided that, and we run its java dash jar. This is how we run the in a production environment, and you can see right now I'm getting some errors. The error is expected because we do not have a database running right now. So it was basically a database connection failure. So you can see this is a communication link failure, and you basically cannot connect to the database because there is no database running. In our final project, we would like to run a database in a container, but it's also accessible from localhost, whatever the IP that we provided, and run on certain ports like 3306, which I'll be showing you a Docker solution of how to connect to a database. Okay, so let's wrap this up, and then this is the part one of how to run this Java Springboot project with a connection to MySQL server. We do not have to modify this information or rebuild it, regenerate the jar. We're just going to bring up the MySQL server and make sure that we create this database, and we also create username and password for that. Okay, this is the part one of this project.